Today we gotta fix the smoke pipe. Now I noticed when I was doing a regular cleaning back along that it was rusting out. You can see it's got a hole right there. So I've got some new pipe. First thing you want to do is make sure your furnace is shut down. You do not want it coming on when you take the smoke pipe off. So I'm going to shut the switch. Alright, what we're going to do first is just get this apart. Screwdriver for that. Fortunate that this particular screwdriver, which you've seen this in other videos, I put a link to it in the description as well. It's a cobalt, but it's the end of it that the bit fits in for Phillips fits right over these screws. So that is fantastic. I have to put new screws in probably. This typically is a dirty job too. There we go. Maybe I can just replace that one piece. Yeah, it's just a piece that goes in to the chimney. The elbow is new, I already replaced that. Just that needs to be replaced. The thimble that's got to go in there. I'm going to put these together. Bend it in on each other. And then just do that right there. That's it. Let's see if that'll fit. Just do it like that. So what I gotta do is I gotta cut this thing off the length that I need. I think I'm gonna do is just replace this piece for now, and I'm gonna get enough pipe and replace this whole entire thing. But for today, let's just get that in here so I don't have that big gaping hole underneath of it. I'm gonna have to get this back up there just to see how long it's gotta be. Right there. I'm gonna have to get a longer one. It goes all the way in the way it's supposed to. But at least this will fix it so there's no hole in the meantime. Hopefully. Yeah, stop this freaking. Alright, so that solved that. Now, since I have this, I'm just gonna stick it back and seal that up a little bit. At least now, we're not getting fumes from that in the house. Alright, so what I did today, just because I didn't get the right piece, but I just changed the piece that had a big hole in it underneath here. A new piece going in there, so we're not getting any exhaust in the house. That's fixed. And what I'm going to do, this elbow is new too, but I'm going to replace this section down. Even though this is still, I mean, it looks terrible because the water running down it. And my plan eventually is to put a T here, but I couldn't. They didn't have a T at the store. So it can catch the stuff here. I can clean that out and throw away, you know, this cover as it rusts out, and it won't be running down into the furnace anymore. So I tried a cap on a chimney, but that didn't work either. Caused other issues. So not too bad in there.